How to get Candy Blossom for free by glitch and grow a garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So many people have asked how you can get the candy blossoms in Grow a Garden. In this video, I'll show you a few potential ways to get them for free. As you know, candy blossoms are now hard to get since the Easter event ended. But is it impossible? First method involves joining an older Grow a Garden server. People claim the Easter shop might still be there. I tested this by joining an old server before, but the Easter shop wasn't there. This could be because the TikTok information was false or the server wasn't old enough, so feel free to test this yourself. The next method suggests getting candy blossoms from Lucky Harvest. When you harvest a plant, you have a small chance of getting a lucky harvest, which gives you the seed of the plant. This method requires you to already have a candy blossom tree, and if you don't, skip to the next method. The last method is, according to a Grow a Garden wiki, involves the candy blossom randomly appearing during the shop restocks. Apparently, every 5 minutes where the shop restocks, there is a small chance that a candy blossom will be in stock. I've never seen it myself, but you can test it. If none of this work, you can go ahead and trade with a player who already have a candy blossom. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.